Cool Touch electric water kettle by Secura quickly gives you hot water and keeps it at the temperature you choose for up to 4 hours. The 1.8 quart interior holds over 7 cups. With double wall construction and a hidden heating element, it's energy efficient and easy to clean. It features a stainless steel interior for fresh tasting water with zero aftertaste. All parts are BPA free. One touch of the quick boil button gives you boiling water in 7 minutes. No more wondering if the water will ever boil, plus it has 8 preset temps and an easy to read LED display. Enjoy perfectly brewed coffee or tea in a flash and use the keep warm function to have hot water ready to pour at any time. It's cordless for easy carrying and pouring. The handle and exterior always remain cool to the touch. The Cool Touch electric water kettle is stylish but also safe. The free float valve technology in the Sure Grip lid is a safety feature that prevents pressure buildup. This is what makes it possible for the kettle to keep the water warm for up to 4 hours. When you shake the lid and you can hear the free float valve inside, you know that it's ready to work. This safety feature also reduces water flow if the kettle is knocked over. Other kettles will spill all over. The Cool Touch electric water kettle by Secura is perfect for your home, dorm room, office, and RV. It's a tea kettle, hot water boiler, and hot pot all in one. Enjoy hot drinks, soups, and instant foods with no need for a stove or gas burner. It will be your favorite kettle for years to come.